this.
Oh,
You have to read this. Look.
what is this? Quanch is not me.
You. No, it's you.
What is this? Attachment.
Who's this?
What English is this? Oh,
Of.
tot. And what is this on the top here?
This is Mirangcho.
Moroncho? What is that language?
That's from Japanese.
It's Japanese?
Yeah. Also this.
What? Attachment? What is this?
Dino. It has N and N, D and N.
Where? That's dino?
Yeah, it says Dino, an ancient, most Dino.
Ancient most dino? What do you mean?